Hello, little explorers. My name is Explorer Buddy, and I am so excited to take you on a wonderful adventure today. We are going to visit a magical place filled with friendly animals. Can you guess where we are going? That's right! We are going to a farm. At the farm, we will meet many animal friends. Each one has a special sound they love to make. I can't wait to introduce you to them, so put on your explorer hats and let's get ready to have some fun. Are you ready? Let's go. The sun is shining bright and the sky is blue. The air smells fresh and clean. Look! There's the big red barn where all our animal friends live. It's going to be an exciting day. We will meet 10 animal friends today. Remember, each animal has a special sound. Try to remember their names and sounds as we go along. Let's start our adventure. Our first stop is the cow pasture. Look at those big, gentle cows munching on green grass. Can you see them? Cows are big and have black and white spots. They love to say, moo. Let's say hello to our cow friend. Hello, cow, we say. And the cow replies with a loud moo. Can you say moo with the cow? Moo, moo, moo. Great job, little explorer. Cows give us milk, which we use to make yummy things like cheese and ice cream. Isn't that amazing? Remember, cows say moo. Thank you for visiting the cow pasture. Now that we've met the cow, let's move on to meet our next animal friend. Who could it be? Let's find out. Next, we wander over to the pig pen. Look at those cute pink pigs rolling in the mud. Pigs love to play in the mud to keep cool. They are so funny. Pigs say, oink, oink, hello, pig, we call out. The pig looks up and gives a happy oink, oink. Can you make a pig sound? Oink, 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 fantastic! Pigs are smart and love to eat tasty treats like apples and corn. They have curly tails and big smiles. Remember, pigs say oink. Now that we've met the pig, let's continue our adventure. There are more animals waiting to meet us. Who will we find next? Now let's head over to the sheep field. Look at those fluffy sheep with their soft, woolly coats. Sheep are gentle and like to stay together in groups. They say ba, hello sheep. We greet them. The sheep respond with a friendly ba, ba. Can you say ba like a sheep? Ba, ba, ba. You sound just like them. Sheep give us wool, which we use to make warm clothes like sweaters and scarves. Isn't that wonderful? Remember, sheep say ba. We've had so much fun with the sheep. Let's keep going and see who else we can meet on the farm. Who's next on our adventure? Look over there! It's the horse stable. Horses are strong and beautiful. They love to run fast and say neigh. Let's go say hello to the horses. Hello, horse! We shout. The horse neighs back with a loud neigh, neigh. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh, neigh, neigh. That's perfect. Horses help farmers by pulling plows and carrying things. They can be brown, black, white, or even spotted. Remember, horses say neigh. We've had a great time with the horses. Let's keep exploring and meet more animal friends. Who will we see next on the farm? Now let's visit the duck pond. Look at those ducks swimming and splashing in the water. Ducks are playful and love to say, quack! Hello, duck, we call out. The duck quacks back with a cheerful quack, quack. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack, quack. You're doing great. Ducks have webbed feet that help them swim, and they love to eat bugs and plants. Remember, ducks say, quack. We've had so much fun with the ducks. Let's move on and see who else we can find on our farm adventure. Who's next? Next, we head to the chicken coop. Look at those busy chickens pecking around. Chickens are small and say, cluck, cluck, hello, chicken. We greet them. The chicken clucks back with a happy cluck, cluck. Can you cluck like a chicken? Cluck, 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 you're a natural. Chickens lay eggs that we can eat for breakfast. They have feathers and love to scratch the ground. Remember, chickens say cluck. We've had a great time with the chickens. Let's continue our adventure and meet more animals. Who will we find next? Look, there's the farm dog. Dogs are friendly and love to play. They say, woof! Let's go say hello to the dog. Hello, dog, we call out. The dog barks back with a joyful woof. Woof! Can you bark like a dog? Woof, woof, woof! Well done! Dogs help protect the farm and keep the animals safe. They are loyal and love to run and fetch. Remember, dogs say woof! We've had a lot of fun with the dog. Let's keep going and see who else we can meet. Who's next on our adventure? Next, we spot the farm cat. Cats are curious and love to explore. They say, "Meow, let's go say hello to the cat." "Hello, cat." We greet them. The cat meows back with a soft, "Meow, meow, can you meow like a cat? Meow, 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 you're doing wonderfully." Cats help keep the farm free of mice. They have soft fur and love to nap in the sun. Remember, cats say, "Meow." We've enjoyed meeting the cat. Let's continue our adventure and see who else is on the farm. Who will we meet next? Bleat with the goat. Now let's go to the goat pen. Goats are playful and love to climb. They say, "Bleat, let's say hello to the goats." "Hello, goat," we call out. The goat bleats back with a spirited bleat, bleat. "Can you bleat like a goat?" "Bleat, bleat, bleat, you're amazing!" Goats give us milk and like to eat grass and leaves. They have horns and love to jump around. Remember, goats say, "Bleat." We've had a great time with the goats. Let's keep going and meet our last animal friend. Who could it be? Bray with the donkey. Our last stop is the donkey paddock. Donkeys are strong and helpful. They say, "Hee-haw, let's go say hello to the donkey." "Hello, donkey," we shout. The donkey brays back with a loud, "Hee-haw, hee-haw, can you bray like a donkey?" "Hee-haw, hee-haw, fantastic." Donkeys help carry heavy loads and are very gentle. They have long ears and are very friendly. Remember, donkeys say, "Hee-haw, we've met all our animal friends." Let's review who we met today. Are you ready? Farewell to the farm friends. Wow, what an adventure we had today. We met so many wonderful animals on the farm. Let's remember them all. We met the cow who says moo, the pig who says oink, and the sheep who says baa. Then we met the horse who says neigh, the duck who says quack, and the chicken who says cluck. Next we met the dog who says woof, and the cat who says meow. Finally, we met the goat who says bleat and the donkey who says hee-haw. You did an amazing job remembering all the animals and their sounds. You are a true explorer. Thank you for joining me on this farm adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Until next time, happy exploring, little adventurers. Goodbye.